think we a little scarred from the last time we the concert.
You on that pool, girl. Enjoy the pool. Ride that thing, girl. You got the hat on.
Welcome back to another vlog. We about to be what?
Rodeo wow.
Again, so we're going to a trail ride, but it's not gonna be like it was last time. It's just gonna be like me and my cousins. And yeah, and we're actually gonna be in the facilities, cause baby, we barely
we turned up, but we didn't make it.
Yeah, we didn't make it in. So you know, you gotta make the typical stops. We're at liquor store right now.
Gotta play my numbers. I am that person.
Well, yeah, we was just watching the trail ride from last time, cause apparently I didn't send in the group. I don't know, look, you be embarrassed. I don't know why, but like, just a teeny bit. But we was watching it, we was talking about it. I was like, oh, that's kind of iconic because we going again and we just not watching it. Yeah. It's Sarah Kill. I have my dry cleaner. But it actually was messed up. It had a spot on it.
It didn't matter. She needed that spot at that moment.
No. Alright, hey y'all, I'm all dressed. Now I had to put this t-shirt up under this jumpsuit because I didn't want to be cold. Like, I don't want to get sick. Like, it's fall gas, and then we are going to be on our way. Yeah, I think this came out really cute. I did my hair like this little bun. Now the bun ain't that cute, but I just didn't want to have my hair down and have a hat. Like, I don't know, I just wanted it all pulled to the back. Have y'all ever tried these ginger beers? This is like really good, like really good. Gas has definitely went down. It only took $41 to fill up my car. My car was almost on empty, because I typically fill it up like when it's on half, but I was just being lazy and went stop at the gas station, so it was literally like almost on E. It had like, it's 66 miles, but it only took $41. Gas went down a lot. Even though like I drive a truck, like you would think like it would take a lot of gas, it really don't. Like, I don't think I get good gas mileage. Like, I can go for a long time without getting gas. Like, if I'm going on a road trip, like I think I talked about this a little bit when I went to Virginia, how if I only stopped twice to get gas, and I stopped when it was on half, and I drove for like maybe 3 hours, something like that, and it was on half. So yeah, I'm hot. Let me turn this air. We got here super early. There was nobody out there. Not like a bad way, but like probably still doing the trail ride. I think we a little scarred from the last time we went to the trail ride, so we wanted to be early. They're gonna hit that guy. But yeah, to kill some time, we went to the beauty supply store, and I'm about to get some stuff from Jersey Mike's. We got some nails. So yeah, I'm about to, because it's only 4:39 and the bonfire started at 8 o'clock, so we gotta kill some time. Bring no chairs. Yeah, at first it was like, I don't know.
We don't know, but then we could have been here. It's a little thick already.
Yeah, it started at 7:29.
I say it's a good 200, 250, maybe 3.
Now there's like want to be bright. You remember earlier when I turned it on?
But it was in the daytime.
Yeah.
Rodeo number 2, Charlotte.
You know, last time I didn't even realize we was in North Carolina until we got to North Carolina.
Yeah, Shelby.
They got the lights out here. You can see everybody.
That's how the bonfire kind of be when I go for my birthday.
I'm not bringing nothing. No, me either.
It's my phone. Right on my back pocket.
Ginger beer. Look at my purse. So do you gotta pay $20 if you walking? Too? I mean, it's $20 per person, but
What you mean to get in? Like if you walked up?
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Because he was like, that's why he said per person, because that should get your arm wrist up so you can get in. They ain't charging for parking.
Oh, okay. Oh. That'd really kill her charge. But I mean,
What you think about once
how many people in the car?
Once this fill up, ain't no more else. I think after this road right here, I don't think it's gonna really be no more parking.
Yeah.
So once that fill up, but it's a parking spot right there.
It surely is.
Look.
Shit got me back.
This hat ain't got no definition. Like
I had to bend and shape this one.
Like this one gonna have to. It's gonna have to be shaped.
Yeah, I'm about to say I had to shape mine. I still don't think the back shape. If you want to be real. I want a ginger beer. Slide to the left.
Yeah, I'm always to make me a drink.
Here you go. Ginger beer. Ginger beer. Look at this picture I got of Cody.
Oh,
the old picture.
She look like Lisa.
Hello. Hey, where you at, homegirl?
Outside in the car, going to the concert right fast.
The concert?
Yes.
What concert?
In Columbia.
You ain't coming
at the fair.
Cody ain't coming.
I am coming. I'm outside. I'm outside. I was trying to tell y'all on video.
Who you trying to come?
What concert?
The old school concert.
Where the old school concert at?
I think it's in Columbia. She's trying to call us on video. What she trying to call you? Maybe she talking to them. Alright, well we'll see you when you get here.
It be getting crowded.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be there shortly. The turn right on Elmwood. I can't even see.
How you going to a concert but you coming here shortly?
No, I'm going to the old school concert too. When we talked about this.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yes, but I'm outside. I got my cowboy boots on, so I should. I got my cowboy boots. I got my cowboy boots on. I love my damn head.
Okay. All right. Drive safe. We see you soon, I guess.
All
right, bye. How she go from I left my wig to I'm going to the concert?
The old school concert. I told y'all about this.
No, she did not.
And then she was like, we talked about this. I feel like that was code. Is Sugar in the car or somebody? Because when she say she going to the rodeo, Sugar gonna want to come to the rodeo.
I don't think Sugar is in the car.
But it sound like somebody else in the car.
No, yeah. Maybe that was code because she don't want Sugar to go. And I wasn't catching it. And she said, you know, we talked about it.
Yeah, that's the only thing I'm catching on to. Like, we talked about it.
Maybe it is cold. It's us sitting. Let me turn these lights off.
It's us sitting in the lights
and just looking.
Lord, these some real cowboys. I'm about to read some real country folks. Yep, this is about to be my type of stuff.
Well, pour me a little bit of that. I'll be so glad to. I know Cody probably. Oh no, that's not Cody texting me. I think that was Code for I'm coming. Messy, huh?
That's Cody?
No, Richie. I said pour a little tequila in here.
I had to drink some of my
Some what?
I should been video need people walking by.
Especially all that black.
Real cowboys with a whole licorice stick in his mouth and all. Yes, they really real people. This real country. This real.
Dang,
I guess
we ain't wearing no chairs.
I know.
I mean, I feel like we good. They got their shirts tucked in. Did he just flinch at the drone? I ain't even see the drone. He flinched at it. Lucky.
Yeah, we with the real cowboys. This about to be real. Like, they real. Yeah, the horses and all.
I need to stop holding the ginger beer in my mouth.
Yeah,
I think the spiciness be getting in my throat.
He just has a Bentley behind you. Come on, what you did now?
Come on, man. What you want to go for?
Yes, look at these cat daddies. cat
let me
daddies.
take my battery out, ma.
They cat daddies.
I'm
You know,
talking
kind of
to my
cat daddy. Do the cat daddy. Yeah, do the cat daddy. Cat daddy.
I'm playing it.
We got a good little park now.
A great park if you want to be real. I can get out. I like that everybody not parked the same way, and so everybody can get out.
There was somebody
Somebody
took,
had some smartness. Cause
somebody took did good in trigonometry.
Yeah. Tell them to back in, and then they back in, and they back in, and they back in, so they can just get out, and nobody stuck.
But it's getting thick though.
She'll probably take it in there. She said something about that weekend.
To what?
She was like, she gonna come back out. But I'm pretty sure you could take it in there.
Yeah. I seen people with their little coolers and stuff.
Alright. We finally made it, y'all. Finally. Made it to one.
Y'all, we here. We've been here so early that we still sitting in the car.
We had to kill time. We was here too early.
And y'all, and got here this time and still ain't got a front row park. Literally. We done killed some time too.
Don't mind my dirty windshield. Is my battery gonna die? I need to make sure I put it in the oven. Hey, mood. Really in a few.
Yo, somebody. I see you, baby. Y'all say the bees, right? Y'all bees? Y'all the bees? Okay.
I don't know why this camera's so.
None of y'all messing with this country sound. Them boys sent me some new country. We rock for you.
Wanna do the back roads?
We about to get into that deal. Well, right now, too. Feel it out of the trail ride, so we gotta go.
DJ Straight Nerd. Get back to it, young dude. Yes, sir. I see you stepping.
Go ahead, hold on.
Hey, John, step up. I'm here to have a good time tonight. I see you on that pool, girl. Enjoy the pool. Ride that thing, girl. You got the head on. Ride it, man. Ride it. Ride it. Thank God it's Saturday. I'm gonna do my own thing, Pop. I'm gonna do my own thing, Pop. Okay, I need y'all to go sell. Hey, look at that, man. Let me see y'all cut up for the one time. Yeah, boy.
Now he pulling out the camera, miss.
Step on out.